Today, let's look at how you remove the cover of the pool at Cedar Park Club. So first things first, we're going to need about 4 to 5 volunteers, the more the merrier, and bring a large Allen wrench because you're going to want to take off these little loops on these Allen wrench sized screws. Once you do that, be sure to screw it back down into the ground, and that's so that it lays flush with the ground so that when people are walking by having fun in the sun, they don't trip and fall. You want to have some good gloves and preferably waterproof boots because this next part gets a little messy. Pretty much the strong and willing are in the back pulling towards that back corner, and then 2 people at each corner kind of keeping it in order. Once you get to the back, and it's a little bit of a process, you'll notice that there's still a lot of debris in the pool. That's just something with this type of cover that we have right now. The last thing you want to do is have everyone clean some of the debris off the pool. That'll make it a lot lighter. And then you flatten it out so that it can sit there in the sun for about a week and air dry so that when we drain the pool, it'll be ready to fold.